Hi, it's Blake with FishBait. When you're building a process on Laserfish, it can sometimes be hard to get some real-world data to use in your processes. This could be for simple testing or for demo purposes. In today's video, I will talk about how you can download the AdventureWorks database from Microsoft and attach it to SQL Server so you can utilize it in these scenarios. Let's go. Microsoft has several SQL sample databases that you can use. You can see here we have the Worldwide Importer sample, AdventureWorks, and there's even some Azure samples. We're going to go into the Microsoft SQL Server samples link, and you can see this takes us over to GitHub. We can read a little bit more about some of the information here about these databases. I'm going to go into the samples folder. And again, if we scroll down, you can read about the different categories. We will go ahead and go into the databases category. And then we can see our 3 different databases that are available to us. And we will go into AdventureWorks. And then on the AdventureWorks page, if you scroll down, we can actually see some different information about the install, how we would add this to our SQL server, and be able to restore that so it's ready for our use. So with that, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and we will go ahead and download the AdventureWorks database. We're actually going to use a script instead of using the whole database, so that comes to us in a zip file. And once that's done downloading, we can open it in File Explorer. I'm going to right-click, go to Properties, unblock the file, and then we will extract the zip file. Okay, once we have that extracted, we can then go take a look at it. We can see there's a lot of CSV files that are included with this. And we can see our script here. So I will open the script. It opens it in Management Studio, and we can review this. You'll see that the script has instructions about how to use the script and what needs to be changed in the script. You can scroll through the whole thing if you want to, and you can figure out what all it's doing. So the first thing that it talks about is we have to enable SQL CMD mode, so that's what I just did. Now I'm going to go ahead and execute the script. I already set my path, so C samples AdventureWorks. So that's where all my files were located at. And because I saved it there, once I open the script, I can just hit execute. And now what it's doing is it's running through and it's actually creating my AdventureWorks database for me. Okay, and it's run through. We can see our log here. See, it's gone through and created the tables. We have how many rows were affected by the different queries that this script uses. And we can just scroll through all that to get an idea of what it's done. If we want to look at it, we see AdventureWorks on the left-hand side now. I can expand tables, and you can see all the tables that were created as part of that script. We also have several views that come with it as well. and some stored procedures. And that's how you go through and you're able to download and run the script to basically create the AdventureWorks database for you. And you can use this database in Laserfish Forms, the repository, workflow, to be able to get some real world type data for your demos or just for testing purposes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, keep fishing.